The Red Devil SlamScraper Impact Tool is ideal for all types of removal jobs. Whether the operator is a homeowner, DIYer, or professional contractor, this multi-action tool is easy to use and will save time and conserve energy. It is one of the most adaptable scrapers on the market today. The SlamScraper is equipped with multiple blades. Users have the option of using the spring steel attachment blade or the heavy-duty fixed blade. To extend the life of this tool, 2 attachment blades are included with the SlamScraper. This scraper is engineered with high carbon steel that is welded together in one durable piece. It stands a little over 5 foot tall and comes with 2 6-inch blades. Its long, slender construction makes it easy to complete removal projects that include hard-to-reach areas like corners and along baseboards. The SlamScraper's slide bar gives a hammer chisel effect that maximizes the operator's force and creates a greater impact. Now let's take a closer look at this tool. The SlamScraper comes with 2 blade options. First, a spring steel attachment blade is ideal for projects on soft, pliable, or uneven surfaces. This blade is great for removal projects, including glued down carpeting, vinyl and acrylic tile, linoleum, asphalt tile, dried mastic, or other adhesives, and pliable floor coverings. The SlamScraper comes with the heavy-duty fixed blade ready to use. This blade is engineered to withstand tough removal jobs for hard, brittle surfaces. It is ideal for removal projects like ceramic tile, parquet flooring, cement overpour, tar and shingle roofing, ice, tree roots, and sod or garden borders. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to change the blades. First of all, you gotta take your SlamScraper. There is screws and a washer on the back. You want to untighten these in order for you to slide the blade behind the washer. Make sure you got enough room to slide it behind the washers. You take your blade, slide it up against the plate, and there is pegs on the back of the plate. You want to make sure they're in the slots and snug up against. You want to make sure this blade gets snug up against the plate. The actual rigid blade that's actually there. Tighten this down. Now when you're putting on this blade, remember, this blade it's got a bevel down area and it's got a bevel up. Bevel down is when you're working on surfaces like wood surfaces, subfloor. You may be taking carpeting off of there. And also, when you have it the other way around, which is the bevel up, you're working on cement, maybe concrete slab floor, and carpeting may be on that, or it might be linoleum, and it slides very good and can cut through the surfaces. Please remember, when you get through with this project, to unloosen the screws, because you want to take the blade off. You don't want to leave this laying around with the blade on there. It could hurt somebody. Safety is always on our mind. Make sure you get these untight so you can slide the blade off. Then once you're through, tighten the screws down. Make sure they're really tight. Got them tightened down. Now you've got a normal, conventional scraper. You can unloosen this screw and it gives you a chisel impact feature. This also gives you the muscle power for hard removal jobs, and gives it more of a slam hammer action. And when you're doing this, make sure you're using the choppy broom-like effect and all that. So it's real easy to use. Gives you great impact. When you're through, make sure you just tighten the screw down again. It's gonna, when you're leaving it laying around or whatever, it's not sliding around. Now I want to compare this to other scrapers that are in the market today. SlamScraper includes benefits that beat out many heavy-duty scrapers on the market. Let's compare it to this traditional scraper. The heavy-duty conventional scraper stands around 4 foot tall, while the SlamScraper is a little more over 5 foot tall. More length provides more leverage and easier use and less strain for the operator. This traditional scraper comes with one 4-inch blade compared to the SlamScraper's 2 6-inch attachment blades and one 6-inch fixed blade option. The larger blades provide more surface area and can reduce project time. Although this scraper is billed as heavy duty, the SlamScraper weighs about 2 pounds more. The SlamScraper also has larger diameter and thickness than the traditional heavy-duty scraper. Lastly, the SlamScraper is the premier multi-action use tool on the market today. Most scrapers only have a conventional, rigid blade and cannot adapt to different removal project needs. Let's see how this scraper compares in removal projects. Again, remember that the bevel side is up, and then try to shave into the, and tear away the tile. Then you can shave around the thin set. See how clean that came off. But, little tip here again, we can use the chisel and hammer effect. Just loosen this wing nut that's on the side so you have a slide action going on. And you can come in here, loosen up those tiles, make some, you can kind of knock that away. Get underneath it, break any of this tile away. Now we can go back to, leave it on the chisel. I'm going to check it real quick before I get on it, make sure I got the bevel side down. Before I get going again, we want to pull this stuff up. You can clean up some of that thin set, just scrape it away. Then you want to make sure it is beveled down since we're on a wood subfloor. First of all, carpet, if you can get in underneath there, that's the extra sharp blades get right underneath there and can tear that carpet just right away. See how easy it's coming up. The multi-action SlamScraper Impact Tool is a game changer for flooring removal projects. And as an added bonus, removing flooring, ice, and disaster cleanup. Its heavy-duty, high-carbon steel construction makes it durable, and the multi-blade options make it adaptable for all types of removal jobs. The hammer and chisel effect saves time, reduces operator fatigue by requiring less effort and maximizing impact. It is easy to use and gives great results for both pros and DIYers. Make the Red Devil SlamScraper your choice for flooring removal projects today. Now, back to you at the studio.